Leading the way in custom-designed CNC machining centers, MULTIAX's priority has always been to understand customer needs, providing competencies and the most efficient solutions to stay at the cutting edge of technology. In the last 2 decades, we have successfully accomplished a wide range of case histories, developing ultra-productive and reliable CNC machining centers for plastics, composites, and aluminum at the highest level of performance. We have a vast number of customers worldwide who use MULTIAX CNC machines, from Korea to Chile, from Finland to Canada, in different industries including aerospace, automotive, boat builders, and wind energy. MULTIAX has built a network of commercial and service partners to enlarge and reinforce its global presence. Beyond these partnerships, we are directly present with our own MULTIAX organization in Europe and North America. Since sales in Asia continue to increase, we have recently opened a MULTIAX branch in China to support local customers and to better follow up the additional requests from China and other Asian markets. MULTIAX has always been investing in research and process innovations to create more added value, like large envelope 3D printing or hybrid additive subtractive technologies with different materials from PU or epoxy SMPs to aluminum and other metals. Innate Italian skill for craftsmanship, engineering, and design, along with true capability to establish long-lasting relationships, make MULTIAX the perfect partner for international customers, assuring the maximum success for your investments. A real value higher than the standard solutions available worldwide. Far beyond selling a machine, MULTIAX rather provides means for a more profitable process, where the machine is seen as a means, not an end.